Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your name on Ticketmaster. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Ticketmaster Philippines website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct homepage. This is where you'll access your account settings and profile details. Next, move your mouse over the My Account option, usually located near the top of the page. Hovering over this menu should reveal additional account-related options. If the menu does not appear right away, pause briefly and keep your cursor steady over the area. From the options that appear, click on My Profile. This will take you to the section where your personal account information can be viewed and updated. Depending on your login status, you may need to sign in first before continuing. After reaching your profile settings page, look for the fields that contain your personal details. In the first name field, type the first name you want displayed on your Ticketmaster account. Be careful to enter it exactly as intended, especially if you want it to match your official identification or other account records. This can help avoid confusion later, particularly when managing tickets or verifying account details. Then, move to the last name field and enter your updated last name. Just like with the first name, make sure the spelling is correct before moving on. It's a good idea to review both name fields together so your profile reflects the full name you want associated with the account. Once you've entered both your first name and last name, look for the Update Info button and click it to save your changes. This final step submits the updated information to your Ticketmaster profile. After clicking, give the page a moment to process. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation message or notice that your account details have been successfully updated. If you don't see the update immediately, try refreshing the page or reopening your profile settings to confirm that the new name has been saved. It's also helpful to double-check for any typing errors before leaving the page, since correcting mistakes right away can save time. That's all there is to it. By going to the Ticketmaster website, opening My Account, selecting My Profile, entering your updated first and last name, and clicking Update Info, you can quickly change the name shown on your account. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow.